Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 7 Best Mini Fridge of 2023.
Top 1.
Kalamera Mini Fridge 15 Wine Cooler Refrigerator. The Kalamera Mini Fridge 15 Wine Cooler Refrigerator is a remarkable appliance that caters to the needs of wine enthusiasts seeking to preserve and enjoy their wine collection. Combining sleek design with advanced cooling technology, this compact wine cooler offers an array of features to ensure optimal storage conditions for your prized wines. In this article, we will delve into the various aspects that make the Kalamera Mini Fridge an exceptional choice for wine connoisseurs. Sleek and space-saving design. The Kalamera Mini Fridge boasts a stylish and compact design, measuring just 15 inches in width. Its sleek black exterior with stainless steel accents adds a touch of sophistication to any space, making it an ideal addition to kitchens, home bars, or even office settings. The compact size allows for easy placement in tight spaces, making it an excellent choice for those with limited room.
Top 2.
Kalamera 15 Beverage Cooler and Refrigerator. When it comes to enjoying a refreshing beverage, having the right storage solution is essential. The Kalamera 15 Beverage Cooler and Refrigerator is a cutting-edge appliance designed to elevate your beverage experience to new heights. With its innovative features, sleek design, and optimal storage capacity, this beverage cooler is a must-have addition to any home or commercial setting. Sleek and modern design. The Kalamera 15 Beverage Cooler and Refrigerator boasts a sleek and modern design that effortlessly blends into any environment. Its compact size allows for versatile placement options, whether it's under a countertop or as a freestanding unit. The stainless steel exterior gives it a premium look, while the double-layered glass door adds a touch of elegance and ensures optimum insulation. Optimal temperature control. Maintaining the perfect temperature for various beverages is crucial for preserving their flavors. The Kalamera 15 Beverage Cooler and Refrigerator features advanced temperature control technology.
Top 3.
Kalamera 24-inch Wine Cooler Freestanding Fridge. For wine connoisseurs and collectors, proper storage and preservation of their prized bottles are essential. The Kalamera 24-inch Wine Cooler Freestanding Fridge is a sophisticated and reliable solution for those who value the taste and aroma of their wines. With its advanced cooling technology and sleek design, this wine cooler offers an optimal environment to keep your wines at their best, ensuring a delightful experience with every sip. State-of-the-art cooling technology. The Kalamera 24-inch wine cooler incorporates state-of-the-art cooling technology to maintain the perfect temperature for your wines. Equipped with a powerful compressor cooling system, it provides consistent and precise temperature control.
Top 4.
Antarctic Star 24-inch Beverage Refrigerator. The Antarctic Star 24-inch Beverage Refrigerator is a remarkable appliance designed to cater to the needs of beverage enthusiasts. With its sleek design, spacious storage capacity, and advanced cooling technology, this refrigerator stands out as a reliable and efficient option for keeping beverages at the perfect temperature. In this article, we will delve into the features that make the Antarctic Star 24-inch beverage refrigerator a must-have for both residential and commercial settings. Ample storage space. One of the standout features of the Antarctic Star 24-inch beverage refrigerator is its spacious interior. With a capacity to hold up to 120 cans, this refrigerator provides ample room for storing a wide variety of beverages. The adjustable and removable shelves allow for easy customization to accommodate larger bottles or cans, making it suitable for different beverage sizes and types.
Top 5.
ICEJUNGLE Beverage Refrigerator 24-inch. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and efficient beverage refrigerator is essential for keeping our favorite drinks cool and refreshing. The ICEJUNGLE Beverage Refrigerator 24-inch is an exceptional appliance that combines functionality, style, and innovation to meet the cooling needs of beverage enthusiasts. With its sleek design and advanced features, this refrigerator is a must-have addition to any home, office, or entertainment space. Ample storage space. One of the standout features of the ICEJUNGLE Beverage Refrigerator is its generous storage capacity. With a spacious interior designed specifically for beverages, this refrigerator can hold up to 154 cans or a combination of cans and bottles. The adjustable and removable shelves allow for customizable organization, accommodating various sizes of bottles or cans, and making it easy to find and access your desired beverage. Efficient cooling technology. The ICEJUNGLE Beverage Refrigerator utilizes advanced cooling technology to ensure that your beverages are chilled to perfection. Equipped with a high-quality compressor and fan system, this refrigerator provides rapid and consistent cooling.
Top 6.
Antarctic Star 24-inch Beverage Refrigerator Dual Zone. In a world where every detail matters, having the right appliances can make a significant difference. When it comes to storing and chilling your favorite beverages, the Antarctic Star 24-inch Beverage Refrigerator Dual Zone stands out as an exceptional choice. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, this appliance offers beverage connoisseurs the perfect solution for maintaining the optimal temperature for their drinks. Let's dive into the remarkable features and benefits of the Antarctic Star 24-inch Beverage Refrigerator Dual Zone. Dual Zone Cooling Technology. One of the standout features of the Antarctic Star 24-inch Beverage Refrigerator is its dual zone cooling technology. This innovative system allows users to store different types of beverages at their ideal temperatures simultaneously. With separate temperature controls for each zone, you can chill your wines in one section while keeping your beer, sodas, or other beverages at a different temperature in the other. This versatility ensures that every drink is stored and served at its perfect temperature, preserving their taste and quality. Top 7. HCK Beverage Fridge, Small Bottle Fridge. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key. Whether you're hosting a party, running a business, or simply enjoying a refreshing drink at home, having quick and easy access to chilled beverages is a necessity. This is where the HCK Beverage Fridge comes into the picture, offering a compact and efficient solution for all your refrigeration needs. In this article, we explore the innovative features and advantages of the HCK Beverage Fridge, highlighting its status as a game changer in the world of small bottle refrigeration. Compact design with maximum capacity. One of the standout features of the HCK Beverage Fridge is its compact design, which makes it ideal for both personal and commercial use. Despite its small footprint, this fridge packs a powerful punch in terms of storage capacity. Equipped with adjustable shelves and cleverly designed compartments, It can comfortably accommodate a wide variety of bottles, cans, and other beverages. Whether you prefer soda, beer, wine, or energy drinks, the HCK Beverage Fridge has got you covered.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.